You know when you're scrolling through YouTube Shorts and find an amazing video, but then you lose it forever? You try to scroll back to find it, but it's gone, swallowed up by the algorithm. You can only find it again through your YouTube history. But we can add YouTube Shorts to a playlist, which is probably why you're looking this up. As you know, playlists let us save and organise all our favourite shorts so we can find them again instantly. And we can also group them by topic, or give them any title we like, making it easy to find our favourites later, plus even share these videos with a friend or the whole wide world. I've got my phone on screen here, so let's do this. First, open the YouTube app and find the shorts that you want to save. Once you're on the short, look at the right hand side of the screen. You'll see a series of icons. In the top right hand corner, you'll see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select the option that says Save to Playlist. A list of all your existing playlists will now appear. You can simply click on the checkbox next to the playlist you want to add the shorts to, then click on the bottom here, Done. But what if you don't have a playlist for this topic yet, or you want to create a new one? At the top of the playlist list, you'll see a button that says Add New Playlist. Click on that. Now you can give your new playlist a name. My Best Air Fryer Recipes. Below the name, you can set the privacy of your playlist. The options are Public, anyone can see your playlist, which is perfect for sharing your favourites with friends. Unlisted, only people with the link can see it. And Private, which means that only you can see the playlist, which is great for personal collections. There's also this toggle switch that says Collaborate. If you turn this on, YouTube will give you a special link that you can send to other people. Anyone with this link can then add their own videos to your playlist. It's a perfect way to create a shared playlist with friends for things like a movie night, a road trip, or a collaborative project. Once you have your name and privacy setting, tap Create. The shorts is now saved to your new playlist. To find your YouTube playlists, click on your avatar picture icon in the bottom right hand corner. Scroll to Playlists. By the way, there's a plus button here where you can also create a new playlist. But if you click on the button next to that, View All, that brings up all your playlists. To delete your playlist, either click on the 3 dots on the right hand side of the playlist and choose Delete, or inside the playlist, click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and choose Delete Playlist. If this video is helping your YouTube shorts, thank you for saying hi in the comments below or hitting the thumbs up button. And if you subscribe by clicking on my face, you'll see my other videos all about how I'm earning thousands of dollars from my 2 YouTube channels.